Today we're going to be subtracting integers using the charge model. There's a couple of things you need to remember. First, represent the first number using positives and negatives, just like we did with adding. Second, you're going to take away the second number from the first number. It's just like second grade when you did takeaways. And you may need to make some zero pairs while you're doing this. So, let's see, we have positive 5. And we need to take away 2 positives. When we do that, we're left with positive 3. Here we have negative 6 take away negative 2. So 6 negatives take away 2 negatives. So there's my 6 negatives. And I take away 2. I'm left with negative 4. Wow, this seems easy. Uh-oh, 3 minus 5. Well, I start with 3 positives. But how can I take away 5 positives if they aren't there? What if I just add 0? What if I add 0 a couple of times? So I just added 2 zero pairs. How does that help me? Now can I take away positive 5? Yes, I can take away 5 positives and leave myself with negative 2. How about negative 2 minus negative 3? So I start with 2 negatives, but that's minus positive 3. How do I get rid of 3 positives when they aren't even there? Well, let's add 0 again. And this time I'm adding 3 zero pairs, so I'll have 3 positives that I can get rid of. And that leaves me with negative 5. Finally, here's our last example. I start with 2 positives, and I take away 3 negatives. Well, how do I take away 3 negatives that aren't there? I can make them using zero pairs. So now do I have 3 negatives? Yes. And then I make them go away, and it leaves me with 5 positives. So, subtraction's not too hard. Represent the first number with positives and negatives. Second, take away the second number. And if you need to, make some zero pairs to make that happen.